Hackography, where tech meets art.
Hello everyone, I just received today this little audio recorder which is called Zoom H1n. N in the name probably stays for new. This is a newer version of this recorder, and yes, let's check what is inside before I start to play around with this. Let's make a short unboxing video to check what is actually inside of this packaging. This is how the box looks like. You see the picture of the recorder itself. It's pretty small and lightweight. And here on the right side of the box you see the right side of the recorder itself. Very cool design of the packaging. Here just the branding, and here are some features. Check them out. Here are some codes, the serial number, and here interestingly they write free bundled software, whatever it is. We will check it. So let's open the packaging. Here we go. Nothing else left inside. I was kind of moving back and forth between two audio recorders, and basically what I wanted to get is a basic entry-level audio recorder, and there is another one which is called Tascam DR-05, I guess, and there is a newer version of this Tascam called DR-05X. There is kind of rivalry going on between these two recorders. There are some people who are preferring the Tascam, and I decided just to start with this one. I got it for about 80 euros, would make something around $90 US. So it's not really very expensive. As I told, it's entry level. I just want to start to play around with the audio recording, and you see already here two AAA batteries in the packaging. There are some paperwork here in probably different languages. Yeah, it's in, so we are here in Germany. We get an English one, German one, and probably some other European languages. Not so exciting. Let's put it aside. Now what is here? Here you see the recorder itself in a kind of black fabric, and this is a pretty nice, cool, really light recorder. This is the record button. I mean, I'm not going to review this device right now. I don't have enough experience and knowledge about it. Probably in some other videos, following videos. And I'll also try to record the audio sound already on this recorder. This is the battery compartment, this is where you put the two AAA batteries. And yeah, this is how this device looks like. Really not very much inside of the packaging. Everything else is just a cardboard paper here. Yeah, this is what we got here inside. Two AAA batteries, the recorder itself, black fabric where it was wrapped in, and some paper instructions, whatever, in different languages. Just after I stopped recording this unboxing video, it just came to my attention that there were actually no SD card attached to this package, the whole package. And this is indeed the fact here, because here is the SD card compartment, micro SD card compartment, which is completely empty. Nowhere you will find an SD card. It's also not stated nowhere in the list of included items. You will see here the recorder itself, the quick guide, 2 AAA batteries, and 3 codes or manuals which are associated with the software which you will get. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it completely correctly, but it's probably Subase LE, the name of the software. You will get a download access code sheet, and also Subase LE startup guide, and another one is the WaveLab LE download access code sheet. That's it what you will get with this new version of the Zoom H1n recorder. Nothing else, no SD card, which is not necessarily a bad thing, because if you get just 1 or 2 gigabyte SD card, probably you would need, I guess, a bigger one. So you will get a bigger one and replace the smaller one. What you will do with the smaller one, I'm not sure. It's, in my opinion, just too small with 1 or 2 gigabyte. So basically you can choose an SD card of your preference and use it in the recorder itself. I guess there is no, I'm not sure, but I think there is no internal memory where you can just immediately start recording your audio on the recorder itself. So basically you have to insert some micro SD card inside. That's it for the unboxing. Give me a like if you would like to see the following videos about this recorder. Stay in touch, subscribe to the channel, and see you around. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Hackography, where tech meets art.